Tip 1, start with hands-on activities. Kids love to build and play, so start with hands-on projects. Kits like Lego robotics, snap circuits, or simple coding apps like Scratch can make technology feel like an exciting puzzle to solve. Ideas for young kids 5 to 8. Explore apps like Scratch Junior or Tinker. For older kids 9 plus, introduce platforms like code.org or beginner-friendly Python tutorials. Tip 2, connect tech to their interests. Is your kid into art? Try drawing apps or animation software. Love music? Explore digital music tools. Obsessed with video games? Show them how games are built. When tech connects with their passions, it becomes more than just a screen. It becomes a tool for creativity. Tip 3, celebrate every win. Did they make a robot move? Awesome. Coded a basic game? Fantastic. Every small win builds confidence and keeps the excitement going. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to learn and improve. Tip 4, show real-life role models. Introduce them to young inventors and coders. Kids like Gitanjali Rao and Tanmay Bakshi, who started young and are doing incredible things. When kids see others like them achieving big goals, they start believing they can too. Tip 5, make it a team effort. Why not join in? Build a website together, try a DIY science kit, or create a fun family app. When parents get involved, kids see tech as a shared adventure, not just another solo screen time. So ready to spark your child's love for tech? Remember, and it's all about curiosity, creativity, and having fun. Let's help kids build the future, one experiment at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, practical tips. See you in the next one, and stay curious.